In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a project or creating a clean and professional spreadsheet for a meeting, borders can really make a difference in presentation and readability. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up a new or existing Google Sheet. If it's a new sheet, you can easily access Google Sheets from your Google Drive or by typing sheets.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once you've got your spreadsheet opened up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This interface allows you to handle everything from data entry to intricate formatting. Now let's begin by selecting a cell. Just click on any cell where you'd like to apply a border. If you just want a border around a single cell, that's perfectly fine. However, if your aim is to organize a whole table or a section of your spreadsheet, you'll want to highlight the entire area. To do this, click and drag your mouse across all the cells you want to include in your selection. You should now see a light blue box around your selected area, which indicates that these cells are highlighted and ready for formatting. Moving on, take your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Among the icons, you should find one resembling a square with lines on one side. This is the border icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu that lets you specify which borders to apply, whether it's all around the selection or just particular sides like top, bottom, left, or right. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, you're going to select the type of line you want for your borders. Click the drop-down menu where different line styles will be displayed. You can choose solid lines for a classic look or dotted and dashed lines for something a bit more unique. This is your chance to add personality to your spreadsheet while maintaining clarity. Afterwards, consider enhancing these borders even more by selecting a border color. Right next to the line style, you'll find an option that lets you pick a color. Perhaps matching this color to your overall document theme could add a touch of excellence to your work. With style and color chosen, think about the thickness of your border. A range of thickness options is available for you to select from. Whether you prefer something subtle or bold and pronounced, so choose whatever aligns with your design. Finally, once all of these choices are made, simply click on the style you've curated to apply it, and voila! Your data will now be encapsulated neatly within your customized borders. That's all there is to it. Adding borders in Google Sheets can dramatically improve the appearance and effectiveness of your document. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.